testing out this new microphone. Just got done with 12 hours of concrete form removal, and I'll show you in this video the progress that we've made on the wall today. Me, myself, and I. And we've got the forms all taken off, we've got drain tile in place, and we have our forms all rebuilt and ready for our next pour over here at the end of the driveway. And after this clip, you will see the progress that I made this weekend and then working after work. Starting down here, we got our stack of forms all rebuilt and ready for installation. We got to dig that out first though. This is what we got done today. Everything cleaned out. We got a little bit of patching to do yet here. We're going to slope this out a little bit better with some mortar. Same with that one there. The holes in the footing are for the drain tile, so the back of the wall has a place for the water to escape into the drain here. As we go up, we got the footing for the stairway, and then all the drain tile is connected to the patio now, all the way up and behind. That's perforated drain with a sock on it, and then this stuff here is solid tubing for all the downspouts that come from the house. And that's all we got done today.